Good morning everyone. My name is Cristian Medina. In this video, I am going to be talking about my routine from Monday to Sunday. So here I go, my routine. On Monday, I always get up a little late because I don't have to work. So my routine on Monday is really interesting because I go for a walk in the park around 7 a.m. after I have breakfast. Then I usually do exercise to keep my body in shape and to be healthy. In the afternoon, I sometimes take a nap and I usually watch series on Netflix. By the night, I visit some friends who speak English and we practice for an hour. Finally, I go back home and then I often go to bed around 10 or 11 p.m. Tuesday. On Tuesday, I always get up at 6 o'clock. I take a shower and I have breakfast with my mom and my two sisters. Then I go to work at 6:45 and I have lunch in my office. I go back home at 5 p.m. So I just watch TV for a while and then I have dinner. Finally, I always go to bed at 9 p.m. Wednesday. Wednesday is a hard day for me because I always wake up at 5 a.m. Then I have to take a shower and go to work at 5:30. So I never have breakfast at home on Wednesday. I sometimes have to work from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. So I rarely have time to do something different that make this day better for me. When I go back home after 9 p.m., I just want to rest. So I seldom use my cell phone or do anything else. I just want to sleep. On Thursday, I always go to work from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., which means that I never have lunch at home, so I frequently have lunch at a restaurant near my job. After work, I usually take a nap for 30 minutes, and then I always play soccer with some friends and co-workers. I seldom listen to music to distract myself and to get some relax. Finally, I go to bed between 10 p.m. and midnight. Friday. It is one of my favorite days because I never get up early and I seldom go to work. So I always have enough time to do things that I enjoy a lot. I usually play soccer twice a day in my neighborhood with old friends. I sometimes have lunch at my uncle's house, and I always spend my afternoon out of home, visiting friends, riding bicycle, or walking around the town. On weekend, I want to talk about my routine both on Saturday and on Sunday, because I normally do the same, both on Saturday and on Sunday. These are the days that I enjoy the most, because I do many things that make me happy, such as I always walk around the park, and I usually go to a restaurant to have lunch with my family. We sometimes visit a relative. Then I frequently watch soccer games, and I often read a comic English book. I always go to church from 9 a.m. to 12. And I usually go to the cinema with some friends or with my friends at night to watch interesting movies, sometimes horror movies. And this is all about my routine from Monday to Sunday. I hope you like it, and bye bye. See you next time. It's been a pleasure for me sharing my routine with you. See you. Bye.